Are you tired of all the noise on Twitter? "2020 has already been an unforgettable year. And if you're a Twitter user, then you shouldn't remember it only for all the noise. As we face challenging times ahead, we should not let what happens around us determine how productive we are with whatever we choose to do going ahead with our lives. So as promised in the last episode, let me help you organize your Twitter so you too can cut out all the noise and become more productive and not get stuck only with one home feed. If you haven't downloaded the latest version of the Twitter app for your Android or iPhone, you can do so now. You'll find the necessary links in the description below. You can also do this on your desktop or Twitter Lite app, but the interface won't be the same. Now in just 3 simple steps, you can customize your Twitter just like I did. Let's do this now. Step 1. Launch the Twitter app on your phone. Swipe right or tap on the hamburger menu on the top left. Tap on Lists. Tap on the blue icon at the bottom right. Give your list a name. By default, all lists will be public. Now tap on Create. Step 2. Twitter will suggest whose tweets you can add to your list based on the name of the list. But I'll show you one more way to add accounts to your list. Now tap on Done and your list is created. Step 3. Go back to the list section again. Tap on the pin icon on the right of the list name. Here you'll find all the lists you have created and public lists that you are following. You can pin up to 5 lists at any given time. When you're done, tap back and your customized Twitter look is ready. It's that simple. This is your brand new list feed. And it gets even better. If you get distracted and browse away from your list feed, when you come back to it, you can start off where you left. Isn't this the coolest thing? No more distractions or noise. Just simply dedicate your time and become more productive while still using Twitter. Creating a list is free, and everyone who follows a list will be able to see all tweets in that list. You can create as many as 1,000 lists and add up to 5,000 accounts to each list. That's a whopping 5 million accounts. You can edit and reshuffle the order of the pinned lists as frequently as you like. You can add anyone to a list, whether you follow their account or not. Go to any profile you want to add to your list. Tap on the 3-dot menu on the top right. Tap on Add to List. Choose the list you want to add them to, and you're done. Now you can follow tweets of people without actually following their account. Just remember, You cannot change the name of the home feed and it will remain the same. But you can customize it too. And I'll show you how to do that in the next episode. So do join me. Follow this series along. So I'll show you how to discover some cool public lists that you can follow. And hey, don't keep this just to yourself. This is no more a secret.